What you don't know can hurt you. Are you walking around worried about what people think of you? First of all, most people are too focused on themselves to worry about you, and they're too busy worrying about other stuff, other than from a limited way. You're on their radar, but you are a random person, so always keep that in mind. If you don't believe me, pause this video for 30 seconds and jot down the people that you pass by every day, make a judgment about, then keep it rolling. You keep it rolling because the people you see at the gym, in the grocery store, in the hallway at work, or wherever are pretty much random people. As a bonus, later in this video, I will offer you a doable tip for how to stop worrying about what others think of you. Hey everybody, it's XK, and today I want to talk about something called the Johari window. A simple way of understanding ourselves and our relationships better. Specifically, it deals with the idea of not knowing what you don't know. So the Johari window is a framework, if you would, for 4 windows that go around in a square, representing different types of knowledge about yourself. The top left pane is things that you know about yourself that others also know. The top right are things that you know about yourself that you don't know. The top right are things that others know about you that you don't know. The bottom left are things that you know about yourself that others don't know. And finally, the bottom right are things that neither you nor others know about you. The last pane is what we call the unknown unknowns, things that we don't even realize we don't know. It represents our blind spots, and we all have blind spots. Here are a few examples of some blind spots. For example, you may have a destructive habit you're unaware of. You may have a false belief or assumption, a repressed childhood memory, biases and prejudices, hidden talents, which we all have, or medical conditions or health risk. The truth is, we can't directly access these unknown unknowns, but we can try to expand this way of looking and reduce our blind spots. Here are a few strategies you can use to help deal with blind spots. Number 1, ask for feedback from people you trust. They may reveal things that you were totally blind to. Number 2, reflect deeply on your emotions and question your assumptions. This can unveil hidden biases. 3, try challenging experiences that are new and push your comfort zone to expose your weaknesses. In conclusion, becoming aware of your blind spot gives you the chance to improve. It's an ongoing process, but a worthy endeavor. Being open-minded and curious is the key. To summarize, acknowledging that there are things we don't know that we don't know can lead to greater self-understanding and personal growth. Now for that bonus. The best way to eliminate worrying about what others think of you is simple. Whenever you find yourself stressed out or wondering and ruminating about what someone is imagining about you, say to yourself, stop. Do this enough, and the ruminations will eventually go away, I promise you. It may sound too good to be true, but I promise you it will work. So what do you think about this Johari window? I'd love to hear your comments. Please leave a comment, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below. It makes all the difference in the world for this channel. Out of here. Thanks a lot.